So I watched Kash Patel's speech talking about how they had fixed aircraft up in the air just immediately and thanking the government for the robust support to get everything in there and start searching. Why did it take 2 days to get search and rescue to Texas to start searching for those little girls? I'm glad that they got this guy. I don't want murders running around. But why didn't the government give this sort of support and robust focus into finding those little? It took 2 days to authorize proper search and rescue, but it took a half hour to get fixed aircraft up in the air to start looking for Charlie Kirk's murderer. Like I said, I'm glad, but I'm also a little confused.